Welcome to Carala, a magnificent French provincial estate nestled in the prestigious enclave of Palm Beach, Sydney. This grand residence, positioned discreetly within 1,714 square metres of meticulously landscaped gardens, is designed by the acclaimed architect Albert Hoggett and features interior curation by Les Interieurs. Karala is more than a home. It's a retreat that embodies the timeless allure and intimacy of a private sanctuary, boasting a due north aspect with sweeping views from the rockpool to Barrenjoey Lighthouse and across the expansive Pittwater. As you step into this breathtaking property, the ground floor welcomes you with a grand entrance that leads to a central lounge, complete with an open fireplace and a soaring light-filled atrium void, creating a heartwarming area for family gatherings. The gourmet kitchen is the heart of the home, equipped with high-end amenities including Calcutta marble countertops, a Millet oven, steam oven, dual Millet dishwashers, and a zip tap. The kitchen opens seamlessly onto an expansive sandstone terrace, perfect for alfresco dining amidst the garden's serene backdrop, with direct access to a covered loggia that overlooks the phenomenal 14.5-metre gas-heated overflow pool and the surrounding terrace. The resident's luxurious feel continues upstairs where the master suite commands attention. Adorned with mauve wallpaper from London and featuring a broad terrace, walk-in robe, and a standalone bath inspired by a late 19th century French double-ended bath, it's a true sanctuary. Carala sets the standard for luxurious living in one of Sydney's most celebrated locales, combining privacy, elegance, and unparalleled views, making it a jewel in the crown of this blue ribbon location. This is not just a home, it's a lifestyle promise, setting the benchmark for those who seek the ultimate in sophistication and privacy. Don't miss your chance to secure one of Palm Beach's best properties.